Hello, I'm Andrew, and this is an update from my remake over in my house. As you can see, almost everything in my living room is finished. In 1.5 months I get a new kitchen, yes, and this wall, this fake bar, will completely disappear because I will make a wall until the ceiling, and this bar will be a little bit wider, 40 centimeters wider, and the wall, I make it a closed wall, and I will do this with this beautiful wallpaper. As you can see, beautiful wallpaper. And this thing will go to my stereo room. Yeah, I think it's more suitable for my stereo room, and I will place a nice high plant over here. And as you can see, I still have my beautiful, I don't think this thing belongs into my stereo room. This Sansui G901dB. And that's because, well, to be honest, I know a lot of guys who have a stereo room. Yeah, they can draw back in that stereo room because they don't want to interfere their woman or girlfriend with their music and their sound. But I'm single, and my best sound will never be in the stereo room. My best sound will be in my living room. That is where my best speakers are, and always my best amplifier. Well, this is my best sound, my best sounding receiver, but the thing is too expensive for me. I have to sell it, and this thing almost cost me nothing. The Akai 93 A93, and that's why I kept this one. Yeah, and this one is too big to place in this in this thing. So I already sell it. The guy is still waiting 3 months now, but this, I have my stereo room just for my reviews. Yeah, just for my reviews. That's why I built this stereo room. Yeah, I still have to make that movie, Stereo Room Part 2. But I will never go upstairs in that stereo room to listen to the sound. I will only do my test, my speaker test for myself. What's the best speaker? What's the best sounding amplifier? But not to listen music. I know a lot of guys who have a stereo room. Yeah, and they go to that stereo room just, to be apart from the woman or the rest of the house. Yeah. In this case, my stereo room is just, where I can place all these things beautiful and do my reviews and tests. So in the future, my living room stay clean, because it is a mess when you have 6 speakers here, a few amplifiers, and then I always have a mess in my living room, and I just made the stereo room to get rid of that mess in my living room. Okay, but today, as you can see, my beautiful Christmas tree. My daughter helped me. Beautiful. Look at this. Yeah, and it is Christmas time, guys. So we have to. As you can see, she also made this thing beautiful, and on the table she made this beautiful, I don't know what she made, but this Christmas thing. And so I'm happy she helped me, because I'm not that inventionist with Christmas ornaments. Anyway, today I have my new house. Yeah, but what about my bird? Look at this stupid old cage. And I thought, okay, I have a new house, why not the bird a new house? As you can see, he's very curious. He doesn't know that he will get a new house today, and I found a bargain. And the new cage is in this in this box. The thing is a monster. I will show you what I paid for this new cage. Unbelievable. I paid for this beautiful 1 meter high. The thing is 1 meter high cage. I paid the unbelievable price from $39.99, and this is the website where you can order it. And the guys didn't even charge me shipping cost. Unbelievable. So for this big box, the 7 kilo big box, they didn't charge me a penny. and I had it in my house in 2 days. This is service. This is service. It's a German company, and they sell in well, they have a in the Netherlands and in Belgium. They also have a online shop. So I ordered this in the Dutch online shop. So, well, for 40 euro. Normally, that's the price for a case like this when you go to a normal shop. Then you pay 40 euro for a case like this. And, well, I'm curious. The thing arrived yesterday and my sister will film me. So, please take over the cam so I can show you what is this cage about. So, this movie will go about this cage. The steering room part 2. The steering room part 2. Still have to wait, yeah, because we are not there yet. First, because upstairs, in my bedroom, in the bathroom, and in the hallway, it's still a messy thing. My sister came here to help me to paint some doors, because I need 4 doors still have to be painted. And let me see what this guy's sent me for 40 euro, inclusive the shipping cost. I couldn't believe it. Wow. Wow, what's this? What's this? Let me see. Well, I need my what is this? Hey, look at this. I think this is the upper floor, yeah. And let me see, what is this? Oh, this thing is big. This thing is big. And the thing even have roofs. Look at this. The thing have roofs. And I think, I'm not sure how this thing is, but I think I have to start on the, you know what I do? I will move my table a little bit to that side to make some room. This is a heavy table, man. Heavy table. And let me see, I got 3 sticks. I got 3 sticks. Not sure what this is. And what I don't see is a paper. Oh yeah, they have a paper. It comes with a paper. Let me see, the Amilo birdcage. And what you got for this 40 euro, man? Unbelievable. 40 euro. And he even got a, look at this. But I don't think he liked it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you like it. Well, this is the underside. And what I like from it, that it is completely black. The other one is grey, the old one. Or white, I'm not sure. And I just want him to have a new cage. And I think this thing is big enough to stand on the floor, so he doesn't need a table anymore. And the first thing that I see on the picture is J and H, and this is J. Yeah. Is this all the same? Let me see. It is looking very strange. Okay, this is yeah, J and H. So this thing goes. If I'm correct, I'm not sure. This thing goes like this. And the movie is live, so you can see how many time it takes me. Okay, this is simple. This thing goes in here. Now I see it. This thing goes in here. This thing goes in here. This thing goes in here or here. Oh, that's part 1. Part 2. Part 2 is this one, and I'm not sure what is. Yeah, this is the front side. This is the front side. This is part 2. Part 2 is plop plop. good. That's not good. 1, 2. Let's see. Let me see. 4. 5. 6, 7. Oh, this is a big one. This is a big one. And then you have part, let me see, part, I'm not sure if I'm doing it okay, I don't think so. Okay, and then I have this one. This one goes like, well, it's not strange, you just have to do it piece by piece, you see? Yeah, there it is. And then I have part 4. Part 4 is this one.
I think you have to click it, Andrew.
No, it's already inside. This is part 4, and this one goes like, let me see, it has to be in the middle, of course. No, one more to the right. Yeah, like this. Yeah, and this one goes here, and this one goes here. Ho, 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 ho. And then you have, let me see, then you have this thing, yeah, but there's no mention where this thing belongs. That's strange. There's no mention at all where this thing belongs. I still have this thing over. And if I see the drawing, here, yeah, these are the 3 sticks, yeah, 3 times, yeah, but there's no mention at all for this thing, so I missed something. Okay, this thing will go here. This is a mistake. This is a mistake. D, yeah, D. No, it is too big. The thing is too big. So I will loosen this thing again. Because it's not that easy. It's a big case, not that easy. I think this thing comes here. Yeah. So the drawing is not correct. The drawing is not correct. But I still have this thing. So I'm not sure what it is. But well, I think I can leave it out because in the drawing I don't see this thing. Well, I think I can leave it out, not necessary. It's not necessary at all. Oh my God, my bird will be happy. He will be happy. Everybody get new things. Look at this door, this big door. Yeah? And then of course you have wow, 1, 2, wow, this way. They say 4 of them. No, 4 and 4. that's correct. That's correct. 4 and 4, and I think they come like this. Beautiful, beautiful. 1. 2. 2. 3. And this thing is broken. You can see it's already broken. But yeah, I am not going to complain. Let's see how these. This is. Oops. Is this the way? I think so. I'm not sure. It looks like this is the way, but if the bird is smart, he can pass this trap, I think. And this bird is smart. It's a very smart bird. I think he can come out of his cage whenever he wants. And my bot, look at this. He has 3. Wow. And then this one. I have 1 left. So where should I? Ah, there's still some room here. 1. This one is a little bit too small. Or is it this one? Oh no, this one. Is this one? Wow. It's not that easy. I think this is it. I think this is it. And of course you still have, I'm not sure where I will place his water. I think, let me see how this thing opens. Like here. And then you have a few of these sticks. And I will see where can I place these sticks. Yeah. Let's see. One over here. Let's see. Maybe this one is better. Ah, now I know where this thing belongs. The broken thing. This thing is just broken. It's broken off. Yeah. It looks like the same one, like. But no, doesn't look like anything else. So I'm not sure what it is.
Misschien een deurtje extra te veranderen.
And where it belongs. it belongs somewhere, I'm sure, but I can't see it. I think that's because the price is so cheap, yeah. I think that's because everything comes with a price. Same as with stereo equipment. If you think you can buy in the shop today a good receiver for, well, I think these stocks will fall down because they are not that very strong, as you can see. Well, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. And then I have one left, and this one I will place a little bit higher because I want that he use the complete thing. Let's see. It goes over here. Goes over here and over here. You see, like this. Like this. And he is already watching me what I'm doing, my bird. But I'm not sure if he know that this will be his cage. I don't think so. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And of course, the last thing we do is let me see where can I. Oh, wow. This is. More easy when I lose this thing first, and then let me see. Not like this. Yeah, maybe like this. Yeah, like this. And then I have to put this thing all over again, but that was easy. So now I'm still not sure what is this stick, you know. And thing looks a little bit up. This thing goes under here. This thing goes under here. Like this, yeah. This is already under here. No. Yeah. This thing is already on here. No, not yet. This is the way it has to be. Yeah. Okay. Well, let me see. I'm not sure if this is the right way to do it. Let's see how strong it is. Oh, this is a strong cage. Well, and this is the cage. We bend the door a little bit. We clip from the door opening. Because it's open too easy. Wow, that's strong metal. Wow, I can't move it. I need a, I will change it later. Or maybe put, maybe put this thing in its. Okay, this is it. Now I know. This is, of course, we already know what it's for. It's for the door opening. I'll show you this little stick, yeah. This is just to close the door like this. Like this. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's take this thing away because my bird isn't interesting in zoo plus DE. That's where it comes from. And as you heard, I don't have music on the background. And that's all because of copyright. When I place music on the background, I lose the rights on this video. That's how copyrights works, friends. Because normally, as I told you before and over again, as soon as I wake up, this thing is playing. Yeah, and especially now with my new speakers, my Canton Correct, I still will make the review. I will make the review from the Sansui. Zoom in, please. Zoom in on my beautiful Sansui G90DB. Yeah, I still will make these movies, but you have to be patient. And for now, my little bird, my friend, my little friend, he will bite me because normally he comes out himself, but he don't like if I take him with my hands. And yay, you come with me. Yeah. No. Hey. Whoa. This is unbelievable. Look at this. This beautiful cage. Yeah, this is how you close it. And oh, look at the difference with his old cage. Yeah, with his old cage and his new cage. I don't even need a table for it. Unbelievable, beautiful house. Beautiful. And of course, I'm not finished yet. And I will give him some food. He needs some food. He needs some water. Yeah. And I always make this mixture between several kinds of, as you can see. Yeah. This is a green cheek parrot. Yeah, that's one. And I will not fill them all because I think it's too much. That's one. Well, to be honest, I will only fill the two in the outside. This one. This one. This one. And because they are big. They are very big. Look at them. Yeah. And of course this one. Yeah. And I think because I need this door regular, I will not use this one. And this one I will only use when I will leave my house for a week or longer than a week. Yeah, I will fill all of these four completely full, and with this size you have food for, with all these four filled completely, you have food for about 2 weeks, really 2 weeks, minimum 2 weeks you can. And I always have a liter of water. He gets a liter of water from me. I will give him clean water today. In fact, you have to give a bird every day clean water because, believe me, my bird, and not only my bird, but every bird, they are cleaner than people. My bird showers in fresh water, if it is fresh water, 3 times a day. And if I give him fresh water, he is so happy. And the rule is to change that water every day, but I'm a lazy guy and I change it once in 2 or 3 days. And after 3 days he's still doing his showers, but not 3 times a day anymore, because he doesn't like old water. He wants fresh water all the time. And well, and he's quiet now, he's quiet, because he's still thinking, what's this new cage? Is this really my cage? He can't believe it, he can't believe it. It's like me moving to a villa, it's the same difference, you know? The difference between these 2 cages is the difference between my house and a villa. So, in this bird eyes, my bird eyes, he just have his new home, and his new home is a villa. Really, for him it's big like a villa. And the reason why I didn't, I will show you why I didn't place a food thing here is because I want here my water, so he can shower, and I don't like these small shower things, you know, they sell in the shops, and he likes this is his one of his favorite things to do. Every day he do this 3 or 4 times, this showering thing, put his head in the water and he clean himself. And I will fill, I'm not sure where it is, the bottom side. So this thing I will show you how to do. This is not really necessary. Well, this is it. This is it, folks. This is it. Unbelievable. Look at this big villa bird cage. The Amilo bird cage online if you live in Europe, online only for €40. And believe me, if you have a bird, you know exactly that is a very cheap bargain. And compared, this one normally costs you in the shops, the small one costs you in the shops the same amount, 35 to €40. And look the difference. And believe me, my bird is 10 times more happier in this cage than in the old one. The old one was dirty, it was old, ugly, and also the cage looks more beautiful in my new interior. That's also one of the reasons I bought this cage. And I'm not finished yet. I will buy some wooden triplex, thin wooden triplex, and I will fill these roofs, yes. As you can see, it has one roof here, and one roof here. I will make triplex, yes, very thin triplex, and I already ordered those puppet house roof tiles, you know, and I will stick those tiles on that triplex, so the bird cage will look like a Chinese, because this is Chinese style, Chinese cage with a real roof, yeah. And to finish it, because he have enough light from this cage, so I don't think he will mind. I made some roof tiles on it to make it beautiful. As you can see, this can I take over the cam, please? Yeah. This website also give you the opportunity, to load up your pictures. Here you have the pictures from all the guys who bought in this web shop their cage, and as you can see, this is what they made from it. And there's one guy, and that's funny, he also made a he bought this cage for his mouse, really, his mouse, and he make it beautiful. Let me show you. I don't like this. This is like this bird, you know, this one here. Too many play toys. I don't think the bird like it. Too many play toys. Oh, this one is a nice one. This one is a nice one. Beautiful, as you can see it, what he did with it. Beautiful. Well, this is nice. Maybe I can show you like this. So all bird lovers, and they send their pictures, what they did with the cage. Yeah, this guy kept it standard, like I have it now. But I'm not finished yet. I'm not finished yet. First, I will do my own house, of course. And after I finish my own house, I will finish this bird cage. I will give it these roof tiles. I already ordered those roof tiles. So, well, as you can see, everybody does it different. This one left the up. Well, he doesn't place the food containers complete inside. But yeah. Beautiful cage, this one. And this is what I'm talking about. This is the the mouse cage. Look at what this guy did. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And that's because it is a big cage, and with a big cage you can do everything what you want. You see, Mr. Mouse is very happy. Mr. Mouse is a happy guy. One more picture from this mouse house. Beautiful, beautiful what this guy did with this cage. Anyway, thanks for watching. How to assemble the Amilo bird cage. And as you can see, my bird is already happy. Yeah, he's dancing. He's dancing. He's dancing. Yeah. He still doesn't understand where is his old cage, but I'm sure he's dancing already, because these birds like dancing all the time. Green cheeks, they are one of the. I had many birds in the past, but this one really is my most favorite bird ever. Green cheek. They are small. They don't talk. Yeah, they don't talk, but they are so nice. They are so sweet. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Put those thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And it will not be too late, yeah, when I'm going to review my new speakers, my new stereo room, and especially my best receiver ever, the Sunsweet G901 dB. Well, thanks for watching. Bye bye.